Join in Cebu, be in the midst of everything, and come home to us at Copenhagen Residences. Traveling alone, with a pal, or with the entire family, you can choose a studio apartment or perhaps a stylish loft with hotel-style service, 24/7 security, plus dining with a view, and everything that makes you feel right at home. All at very competitive rates. Located along AC Cortez Street, Mandaue City. Call us today at 238-4639 or visit www.copenhagen.ph. Comfort, design, convenience. Copenhagen Residences. It's like you never left home. Owned and operated by Ironwood Property Ventures Corporation.
It's fantastic! 3 days of big savings, and 3 days to win big prizes in our liquor store's 35th anniversary sale, October 13 to 15. Up to 50% off. Join in our 35 at 35 raffles.
With family and friends. Rip Outlet Join the Feast at SM City Cebu Branch, 3rd floor, beside IMAX Theater and Capitol Branch, Governor Ambroa Street, behind Poco Mall.